Hey there. Oh my god, why am I laughing? Okay. Happy New Year, guys. Hey sweetheart, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I know. It's been a very long time. I mean, I'm so excited, I'm so pumped that I'm here recording this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys are amazing. And to my new viewers, or you just kind of stumbled on this channel, don't worry, it's not a mistake. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abisodun. Please do well by yourself and by me by joining this family. It's a beautiful family here. Just hit on the subscribe button right down below, and don't forget to hit the bell right beside it, because that's just the only way you can be notified each time I have new uploads for you. And you're not like, I don't know when she posts. Do that now. I actually didn't know the exact video to shoot as for a first video of the year, and first video after a very long time. And I'm so excited doing this review. I'm going to be reviewing some products that I just got during the Black Friday sales, and I just laid my hands on them. This product are very well talked about. I mean, many people are so in on this product now, and I also wanted to be a part of it as well. I'm just going to let you in on what I think about this product, how they feel on my skin, just in case someone is out there contemplating whether or not to get this product. I know it's old, I know it's long overdue, but someone out there needs this video. So my face is already prepped. I mean, I just washed my face, and I've used my skincare product, so that's why my face does not look so dry. Just so you know, I don't have any special skincare routine like that. As you can see, I don't have such perfect skin. My skin is still very much terrible, but I'm trying to prime my face. I'll be using the FENTY. There's a kind of attitude you used to call that name. Don't just say FENTY. FENTY is not nice. Say FENTY. FENTY. I'm going to be using FENTY Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. It is a primer that mattifies basically. I decided to buy this mattifying primer because I have very oily skin. However, I use products that are quite hydrating. I'm not the type who would always opt for mattifying products, if that makes sense. I still kind of like the natural glow, shine to come through my makeup, but just to control a little bit of oil here and there. That's why I got the mattifying primer, because I have other hydrating primers, hydrating skincare products and all of that. Just so you know, FENTY Beauty has a hydrating primer as well. This is quite weird. I mean, it's so liquidy. This one is so it feels like lotion. Let me just use it that way. It feels like lotion, just like your lotion cream. Just see. So I apply that on my T-zones, just right here, bridge of my nose. It's like water based. I really like it. As opposed to other mattifying primers, you cannot apply it all over your skin like you apply your moisturizer. Some of them are just so mattifying that you can't move it around. You're just like stuck to one point, just like type of thing. But this one really glides on, and it has a very decent smell. I'm not really for fragrances in my product. Yeah, that's it. And it feels good. It doesn't have any color on my face. It doesn't have like a white cast or something. I really like that. So for that, I love the primer. It's really good. Now if it really lasts, that I don't know yet. So for foundation, I'm going to be using Lancome Tint Idol 24-hour Ultra Wear Foundation. That's like a mouthful, in the shade 540 Suede Warm. So I think in their foundation shades come in cool and warm, so you kind of know which one it is you're buying, and this depends on your undertone as well. So I'm buying this warm undertone because it kind of matches with my own undertone. It says up to 24-hour color wear and comfort transfer resistant. So I don't know if this shade is my perfect shade. As you can see, my neck is darker than my face and also darker than my chest, so it's so hard for me to get the right shade. I always try to balance it up, maybe mixing my foundation shade with like a darker shade, just so that I can be close to my neck. I mean, it might not look weird in the camera, but it is weird, trust me. So I'm gonna try this on. I really like it because I like foundations with pumps. I mean, it helps you to control the amount of product you put on your face, which is what I like. Oops. Okay, so I like that it's blending very, very easily. I think it's like a perfect match for me. And this is like first time in history. I don't know if you can see, it does cover my blemishes just a little bit, so I think it's just like a medium coverage foundation. Just put a little bit more just to give me better coverage. Wearing this foundation now, guys, I think I really love it. It has really nice coverage, it has really nice undertone, you know. So you don't forget, I got the warm. This is warm. I think it's a very nice product. This might actually be my regular foundation that I'll be wearing because it suits me so well. I feel it suits me. I don't know, maybe when I look at the camera at the end of the day, maybe I'll tell, but like now I think I really like it. I mean, it looks good. I'm going to be highlighting my face with Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Guys, I would have gotten Fenty Beauty concealer, but I've heard a lot about this concealer and I was like, I'm not going to lose that on this foundation, on this concealer rather. And I got Fenty Beauty concealer, the darkest shade, so for my contour. I just want to read out everything. It says it's infused with coconut water, which aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture level. It has alpine rose, which helps to empower skin's health and resilience. It has hyaluronic acid. Guys, you know, when I hear hyaluronic acid, it makes me blush, it makes me smile because I like it. It has hyaluronic acid, which gives it a smoother, more youthful appearance. It's hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, and non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. This is what I always look out for, guys. Like, so why won't I go for it? One thing I like, first of all, is the bottle. Like, the bottle is so nice. Can you imagine? Like, it's so thick and beautiful. I love it so much. And this is in the shade Chestnut. Let me just swatch this at the back of my palm so you can see. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to put this under my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. Just the areas where I need to have. Oh my god! It's quite bright. Like, I was thinking it was just going to be, you know, really dark. I mean, that's what I thought. I really like this applicator. I mean, the product glides on easily, and then you just don't have patches in the middle like other applicators. Elegel, for example. That's it about my concealer. One thing I like to do is, you know, let this concealer sit a little bit on my skin for a little while. That way you're able to get full coverage, as opposed to when you blend it immediately after applying it. I mean, it's still wet, guys. It's not, you don't get to get, you know, that much coverage that you would require from this. So just calm down, chill. So whilst I wait for it, I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this is in the shade 498. This is the darkest concealer shade. It's pretty dark, very dark. Let me just swatch that at the back of my palm so you can see how dark it is. Really dark. Since I found out about, you know, contouring your jaw, I just, you know, took that idea, and then everything I do, I just always contour my jaw. I mean, it helps for me who has very dark neck. It helps me to balance my foundation shade with my neck, so it kind of casts a little bit of shadow around the side, you know, blends into my dark neck. So I'm just going to blend my contour just before blending my eyes. Sorry. It's pretty dark. It's dark. It looks like somebody hit me with a stick and just said, "Sister, bam." So let me just blend my concealer very quickly before I regret it. So I'm just going to start. Oh my god, it's dry. It's dry. It's dry. This is like a disaster. I'm gonna faint. Guys, if you're going to wait for your concealer, don't say I said so. If you're going to wait for your concealer to dry, make sure it's not the kind of concealer that dries up very quickly, or else this is going to be the situation for you. This is a disaster, guys. Like, I shouldn't have waited this long. Talk too much. So just to blend this whole thing together, because my contour is very, very poppy. So I'm just going to blend that by using my foundation and put it right in between my highlights and contour, and just right around here to kind of blend the whole thing together. So just right here to kind of soften it, kind of diffuse the whole thing together. I'm just going to blend the whole thing now with my beauty blender and just make sure that I have everything nice and just in place. The next thing now is to set my highlights. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I'm using this in the shade Honey. The packaging is just awesome. Like, really? No, you check it out, check it out. I got the mini. It's so nice, guys. Like, open it. Open the whole thing. So I'm going to set my under eyes with this, and just before I do that, I have to go back in there and see if the coast is clear, so that I won't have, you know, cakey under eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, do. I really like this Fenty Beauty setting powder. It feels so different from what I use on a normal. It looks different and it feels different. I mean, it looks like this airbrushed kind of look, you know? So nice. I love this. This is it. Honestly, like, I'm so excited about these products that I got. So I'm just like, girl. I'm going to bronze my face as opposed to contouring. So I'm using the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Sculpt Expert Bronzer. This is in the shade Ebony. As opposed to powder contouring, I'm just going to bronze immediately. I mean, that way I can get a softer look. For my lips, I'm going to be using no other than the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I mean, guys, what is a natural, beautiful look without gloss bomb from Fenty Beauty? This is in the shade Fenty Glow. This actually doesn't have color. It doesn't really have color. Let me swatch it at the back of my palm. Yeah, this is it. It really isn't showing well there, but I would like to have a little bit of color underneath, so I'm going to be using my MAC lip stain in the shade all fired up. So I just wanted to have a little bit of color, just slightly. I'm not going to be lining my lips. I think I'm fine. Are you seeing me at all? Like, are you seeing this face? Like, are you seeing this look? I don't understand. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can. So to finish this whole look, I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Yeah, but I had to just go pop on my lashes and come back here and show you my finished look. I would have done a wear test to just know how well or how far they can go, but you know, a girl just life happened and I just couldn't go anywhere. But I still do hope you took something out of this review. I'm so excited about starting YouTube again, guys. Your girl is here. I'm here to give you, you know, back-to-back content, you know, just being here for you, with you. If you're still here, I mean, you watched from the very beginning and you're still here, like, I don't know what to say to you, because you're super awesome. Thank you so very much, especially if you're a new viewer and you're still here. Don't you think you kind of like it here? You know, you like it here, so just do yourself a favor and do me a favor as well by subscribing to my channel, by hitting the subscribe button right down below and hit the bell so you can be notified each time I have new uploads for you. One last thing, guys, would you please join me as I raise a glass? Please don't mind, don't ask me what's in my glass, please. Like, just to raise your own glass, don't ask me. Join me as I raise a glass to a bright, blessed, amazing new year, and to my channel.